Spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name. I'm not dreaming, I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming, hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming, tell me I'm the only one. I've been lost and found. I've been on the ground. I've been hiding out while shouting out. You would open up. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming, hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming, hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming, tell me I'm the only one. I've been in the cold, I've been digging gold, I've been crying out, been lying about everything but now. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again. May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference. Oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Stripping down middle, stripping down middle, stripping down middle. This is not what we should be. Trying to get the best of me. This is not what we should be. Trying to get the best of me. I keep on holding things within me. I keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk about about it. Until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down, new. I'm stripping down, new. I'm stripping down, new. This is not what we should be. Thought to get the best of me. This is how we should be. Thought to get the best of me. This is how we should be. Thought to get the best of me. Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. I don't wanna be now. Where are you? I've been calling and texting all afternoon. Now didn't we say 1 o'clock? I keep looking at the tellers, going tick-tock. I must have somehow heard you wrong. But I'm gonna wait in this coffee shop on the corner of Berry and Sweet. I'll wait until the sun goes down and the music stops on the corner of Berry and Sweet. And I'm gonna choose to believe you're on your way, just running a little late, a little late. Now this might seem silly since we only just met. You must think I'm a stalker, a word. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so dead.